Do you know what the one thing is that separates those who are successful making money online from those who aren't? I'm going to tell you all about it. It's coming up in my review of the Blockbuster affiliate marketing course. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can hold steadily. Well, maybe Raymond over here.
Concierge of crime? Man in the hat?
Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, you know the drill by now. Go ahead and skip ahead. My jokes, they're really, really stale. They're bad. I get it. My cat is over here. She doesn't even want to hear my jokes. She's turning away from me. She's like, Daddy, don't bother me with those stupid jokes. But anyway, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products to make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing? You might as well. It's very, very simple to make sure that you don't end up buying much of crap.
Crap, I like crap. I love crap. I need crap.
Okay, seriously, dude. Seriously, nobody wants crap. You don't even want the crap. I think you just have this crazy existential crisis that you're going through. He doesn't want crap either. Nobody does. Anyway, but seriously, if you are new, with these work, if I like the product, I will give you a tip, match the product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz. Now, you see, Liz, she's such a sweetheart. She says the same thing all the time, but who can get angry at somebody like that? Anyhow, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Make sure you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. We're looking right now at the sales page for the Blockbuster affiliate marketing course. This is from my friend Soren. Now, Soren has been doing affiliate marketing for a long, long time. This course, what's interesting about this course, let me show this to you real quick. Okay, this course is a 3.5-hour course. Now, first of all, you're going to get PLR rights, which means you can sell it, give it away, use it as a bonus. You can put your own name on it, change it to a different name, whatever it is. But here's what's really cool about this course. This course was sold on Udemy for $180. Okay, so, and it sold thousands of copies on Udemy, which means that it is a course that people really liked. It has excellent, excellent reviews. You can see some of the reviews here that people have left for this course, 5-star reviews, talking about how good this thing is, how well it's put together. So you know, the thing is like this, PLR, which stands for private label rights. Usually when you buy a PLR course, they're junk, okay? They're poorly made, they're not well put together, and nobody wants to watch them, nobody wants to buy them. And you know, they're usually used as bonuses. But in this case, this is a high quality course. Now, what I'm going to do for you, by the way, I'm going to make this very, very special. So I've actually put together a huge bonus package. I always put together a huge bonus package. This one is really special. I'm going to give you 10 additional video courses that are also good quality courses. You can also sell with full PLR rights. You can sell them, you can give them away, you can use them as your own bonuses, you can rebrand them. So you can use those as well in addition to this thing. Plus, I'm also going to give you 300 logo templates. You can make your own logos. You can add a logo to these things using free software. I'll show you what software I use. I'm going to give you my course on how to use that software completely for free. Plus, I've also done the research and put together a list of other websites similar to Udemy that you can actually go and launch this course on. You don't necessarily have to do it on Warrior Plus or JVZoo. You can put this onto other websites and actually start making money from other websites, so you don't have to be competing with a million other people on Warrior Plus and JVZoo. But no matter what you do, the bottom line is you're going to be able to put together a list of people. Now, here's the best part, by the way. Check out the price of this course. You're not going to believe this, but this thing, you're going to get full PLR with all my bonuses for $7 lousy. $7. Okay. Now, if you pick up any upgrade, I'm going to bump you to over 40 video courses. This is over 18 gigabytes worth of content. It's going to take you a while to download them, but they're really good courses. Plus, if you pick up the full funnel of this product, I'm going to do something really, really special for you. I'm going to give you a huge leg up. I'm going to give you the do-it-yourself version of my Make Your Product with Eric product. Basically, what this is that you will get a product that you're going to record part of the videos, or you have the videos that are going to be done for you already. And basically, what you're going to do is you're going to record a voiceover for the videos. so that you're presenting the product together with me. You can use my name and basically feed off of my authority as a top seller on Warrior Plus and JV Zoo. I'm very well known in the industry, not to toot my own horn, but I am well known. You're going to be able to use my name in order to be able to bank off of my authority and be able to make serious money. The course, it's all about doing sales. It's a really, really good course, one of the best I've ever put together. And you get to present it together with me, but most of the work is done for you. So you don't have to make your own course completely, totally from scratch. Let's check out the members area real quick over here. You can see here that it's just a straight up download that you can download all these things off of Google Drive. You're going to have all the videos. You're just going to right click it and go ahead and click, download, just like that. And you'll be able to get all of these courses. It's going to be included. And someone tells me it also includes like sales material and stuff like that. Right now, he just gave me access to the course. So that's really what I needed to see to make sure that's a good quality course before I tell you about it. So let's see if I'm going to go ahead and give a tip my head's the product creator or not.
You rock!
Yeah, seriously, you rock. I do love this course. This is great. And for $7, it really is a no-brainer to pick this up. Grab this one, you're going to love this.